Are you interested in painting with watercolor and bringing a little bit of extra into it as well? Maybe a bit of multimedia? How about adding something like pastel to your watercolors and bringing a new dimension to your watercolor painting? Hi, I'm Malcolm Dewey. I'm a professional artist, and in this short course I'm going to show you how to combine these two fantastic mediums, watercolor and pastel, into making something a bit different and exciting. In this course you're going to learn the basics of watercolor, bringing in washes into your watercolor, developing them with a few more shapes, and then bringing in pastels to add a new dimension of strength, color and energy to the watercolor paintings. There are many possibilities you can use with this system, and you can add extra media to it, but we're going to focus on watercolor and the very fundamentals of it, and also the basics of using pastels. So I hope you can join me on this short course and find something new and exciting for your painting.